Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to manage your PlayStation 5's console lighting. You might be wondering if you can change the light color on your PS5. The short answer is no, not directly, as a custom color option. However, you can make a significant adjustment to the existing lights, specifically by dimming them, which many users find helpful. Your PlayStation 5 uses its light bar to tell you exactly what it is doing. For instance, a solid blue light appears when the console is powering on, letting you know it is starting up. Once it is fully operational and ready for gaming, the light turns a steady white. When your console enters rest mode, the light displays a soft orange or amber color, indicating low power consumption. While you cannot change the light color, you do have control over their intensity. The PlayStation 5 provides a specific setting to adjust the brightness of these indicator lights, giving you more command over your gaming environment. You will find this particular option nestled deep within the System Settings menu, which is accessible from your console's home screen. To dim your PS5 lights, start by going to your console's main home screen. From there, locate and select the gear-shaped settings icon in the top right corner. Then, scroll down and choose System, followed by Power Saving. Inside the Power Saving menu, select Features available in rest mode. Here, you will find the Set Brightness of PS5 Indicator Lights option, allowing you to choose between bright, medium, or dim.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.